All right, take two. We're out here at Mountain Creek, the next list in the Charlotte Trail rankings. Not really in Charlotte, but it's on the board on the Charlotte Hill Trailblazers. This place is pretty fun. Jumps are too short, which is kind of a Charlotte staple. A lot of flow here though. I think it's a really good trail system. You can ride it and not ride the same thing twice if you want to come out here every day for a month. Signage needs to be better for sure, but other than that, you know, it's a pretty good spot to ride, especially if you have a trail bike. I do not, so I'll be lugging around my Yeti. David out here repping the MTBNC jersey, and let's go have some fun.
Totally.
Yoink, yoink, yoink. We got a big group. It's dusty out today. Very different from the last time we were here. Dude, that bike just flicks around so easy. We're already caught up. I'm gonna catch him here in a second. Yeah, I just had to start the Wahoo. Oh! How's it going? Oh, I was not expecting that one. The way you hit the turn. That bike is tired. You just like it better full 27.5? I guess you already have your smash bike. That was a cool little gap. I think I sent it, oh, I saw you coming and sent it a little further. Another thing about this place for the GoPro, a lot of these trails are multi-directional. So keep your eyes up just in case, because that's a pretty fun little section right there. You get going real fast. And you might see somebody like us coming up the other direction, so just keep that noted.
Oh yeah. David and his nice little frame slap. Oh, what was that? Yeah. So now we're back on that same trail we were on earlier? Rabbit race. So as y'all, I'm sure I'm seeing, there's a lot of flow, ton of flow out here. Features are minimal at best. David brought up a good point earlier, and that's the flow trails, like the downhills, are all really good. Except the climb back up. You kind of have to go around the world to get to your neighborhood, which is a bit suboptimal. Trying to talk and ride here is not doing me any favors. They could have definitely just went straight up the hill. But I mean, the return trail has a good downhill for sure, but for the trails that you actually want to hit, like this, we've ridden this 3 times now, and it's added about 3 or 4 miles to our trail, I think. They honestly, in my opinion, should have just went straight back up the hill. Going down Haymaker. Is this the one we rode with, what's his name? Butters? Strava line. Oh. Oh, what is that? Do you see that rock that's just like sticking up perfect to snatch a wheel? I was not ready for those second jumps. Okay.
One that followed me down, or I followed down Hare Scramble at Sugar Mountain. So now he's out at Mountain Creek.
Yes.
Sick. And he's got a better bike now.
Finally.
On the Mega Tower, ripping. So he should be flying now.
Yeah.
Maybe not on the cross country trails, but on the downhill trails it'll be a lot better.
I finally did the double black Narnia, the down
nice.
rock roll.
Nice. Cool. Nice running into y'all again.
Appreciate it.
God, you're going way too fast for that jump. And not fast enough for that jump. Oh, huge. Oh, he tried. So I'm not really complaining. So it's not, I mean, maybe it should be a little negative, but just a little bit. But the drops are hucks to flat. Still fun. I am a huck to flat connoisseur, I'm not gonna lie, but not everybody likes their knees buckling. Cleared it. I had to pedal like crazy into it though. Oh. That was the old brake shroud.
Mountain Creek, round 7. Fun spot.